I found that the goals of the L&D team are not going to be the same as the goals the subject matter experts have for each project. And so again, the conversation at the beginning and in the planning is really helpful. But for example, subject matter expert might say success looks like going live on the target date. And really, when we care about the experience of the end users, success means going live when we have engaging training content. And so some flexibility in that go live. And when I say flexibility, I mean some protection, because the protection is it's not failure when we miss the go live date. It's success when we produce an engaging training content and we go live with that. So that's difficult. IT professionals measure success by go live dates. But when we care about the experience, the other piece is they find success by saying we had 100 people complete the training. And we find success by knowing that they learned a skill and are applying the skill. So a conversation about how we're going to measure the outcomes, it's not just about completing the course. It's are they doing what behavior was asked of them?